Hi, welcome back. We're gonna look at using diff files for patching today. Um, Specifically, here we have DWM. This is the window manager I'm using at the moment. Um, you can, but we want to add some functionality to this, and we have these things. So we're going to be looking at fake full screen. So we come down to DWM here, come down to patches. Got fake full screen here. Oh, okay. So what this is going to do is um, when I'm playing a
We are
video,
living in a world where humans
I can open up this new window here. And I can put this in full screen, but it would only take up the left side of the screen instead of blocking out these two tabs or windows I have open. So we're going to try to get that implemented right now. We're going to show you how we patch the program here in DWM. So get this saved here. Yeah, we should see that it's in here now. Actually, we'll want to edit this as well because I'm using config.h. A lot of these files expect that you have a config.def.h. So we'll come in here really quick and change that. It's config.def.h. Rid of that. And let's see. So see how this turns out. And just for the sake of the video, it would be good if we had some failures so we can show you how we go in there and clean it up a little bit. Okay, not too bad. So we had two failures. We had 1 out of 1 failed in our config.h. Okay, and going to dwm.c, like we just have one failure there. So what I like to do is open up a new terminal, and on the left, I'll open up our working file, will be config.h, and then we will open up the reject file. That was the config.h, config.reg, going to let us know here what failed. So, like it was trying to put something in this section here, static const, and we'll just try to match the same area, and we will just manually add this in ourselves here. So, not you can see why it failed. I don't have exactly some of the stuff in here that it was looking for. We can just go ahead and just pop it in right here. It doesn't really matter. Okay, static constant. Full screen equals 0. Right. Go ahead and put our comment in there as well. Say right. Oh, look here. I think formatting's okay. Might tab this over. All right. So that was really quick. That's one file down. save that. We'll remove that, and it is okay. Also makes a .oridge file. Get rid of both of those. We're done with those. And dwm.c is our second file that I believe it's just those two. All right, so let's get into dwm.c and figure out what's going on here. And then, all right, looks like this means it was trying to delete a few things. It wants these things deleted here. So come back to the left. We're going to see if we can find this function here. Notify. If we can search the document for it. This might be it here. Kind of expecting it to be around this line number, but after you edit this thing and patch it a few times, these numbers start to get way off. So part of why sometimes these things don't work out. So we'll see if this is the right thing. For update bars, I'm not seeing update bars. Oh, here it is, update bars. This, and then we have for loop happening here, and these are what it wants removed here. And sometimes these things aren't exactly right. So this is what it expected to be here. This is what's actually here, and that's fine. Leave this how it is because this is probably put here by a previous patch that we've done. So we just want to find the relevant additions or subtractions and work with those specifically. So I believe this is the right thing here. Let me just double check. Okay. So we don't want to take off the top for loop. We want these right here. Actually, it's funny. It's even kind of warning us that there's some errors happening in these three. So that's fair enough. I believe those are going to be the ones we take out then. Here in NeoBIMs, the text editor I'm using, these line numbers, they kind of let you know how many lines you are away from certain targets. So if I put D2J, it is delete 2 lines down. That's kind of how these, or if I want to go 15 lines up to the where it says void 15, I go up. Anyway, so this is done. Go ahead and finish word, and we will move and move the original file as well. Exit out of that, and we will write and save here. And this should be ready to go. I've also got another patch here. Normally with DWM, you would have to restart this whole X instance, but I have a patch where I can restart DWM on the fly. So we're gonna hope that works out here, and we can demonstrate that this works. You want to start with uninstalling the current version that we're using, and then we're going to all the changes we just made. So I'm going to attempt to restart this DWM instance right now, and hopefully it doesn't close out of everything. Let's see if this works out. All right, so something, I mean, it definitely saw it kind of freak out for a second. So let's see if this actually works here. Oh wow, very cool. It does exactly what it said it would do. So I believe that's it for this video. Or if it's anyway, there you have it. Some patching and diff files uh, and compiling software. All right, thanks for watching.